Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and during this holiday I decided to create a very soft and elegant look for Thanksgiving or for this holiday season. You can wear this look with all your red bold vampy lipsticks, or you can go with a nude lipstick as well. This is a very soft like rose gold half cut crease eye look, and I think this look is perfect for all your outfits. This is such an elegant and such a sophisticated look. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. I'm starting with my brows, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pencil in the shade black brown. You guys probably know their brow pomade is my all-time favorite. I recently picked up this particular pencil from Maybelline and I am loving it. Such a beautiful pencil, and it glides on. It's not too waxy, it stays all day long. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer and I am just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. If you are a beginner or if you do not want to do this step, you can totally skip it. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelid to prime my eyelid for eyeshadows that is coming up next. Now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. I am taking my E.L.F Halo Glow setting powder in the shade medium, and I am just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. And I'm applying a little bit of sticky tape right here to have that nice and precise edge. And for my eyes, I'm taking Petal from my Too Faced Born This Way nude eyeshadow palette, and with this large fluffy blending brush from Morphe, I am applying it as my transition color. With this particular shade, I needed a little bit of building up because this is such a light shade of pink. I needed a lot of effort just for it to show up on my eyelids because on my skin tone it was very light. If you are lighter than my skin tone, then it will show up beautifully on your eyes. By the way, after building it up, it looked so stunning. It is very soft. It is just a light kiss of color, I would say. Now I am taking this particular shade called Warm Rose. This is again a mauvey rosy pink shade, and this is just a tad bit darker than the previous one, and I am applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease. And the brush that I'm using is again from Morphe. With this particular shade as well, I needed to build it up quite a bit, and the formula of this eyeshadow palette is so good. The mattes are beautiful, they blend like a dream. I applied like a shimmer shade on my eyelid, and it was foiled, it was metallic, but if you are not into those metallic eyeshadows, then you might not like it. You can see how stunning it's looking. Now taking the first shade, I'm just blending out everything one last time so that everything looks seamless, you know. Look at the blend. Now taking the same concealer on this brush from Pune store, I am just carving out a little bit of lid space. It is not a crazy half cut crease look. I'm just clearing up a little bit of lid space so that my lid shade pops. And if you are a beginner or if you do not want to follow this step, you can totally skip it, or you can just do a cut crease using your lid shade as well. Since I have hooded eyes, I like to carve out my crease just a bit because it gives me that stunning, like defined crease. Now I am taking this NYX glitter primer and I'm applying it all over on my eyelid with my finger, and then I am taking rose water this is a beautiful like rose gold foiled shimmery shade, and it is stunning. And the shimmer shades in this palette, they are more like chunky shimmers, more like foiled like glittery shimmers. So my advice is to use a little bit of tacky base underneath, that way the shimmer shade will stick to it and it will not fade easily. Taking that darker like mauve pink shade, I'm just blending out the edges so that everything looks seamless. With my Essence liquid eyeliner, I'm just doing a cat wing here. Actually, I felt like with this type of lighter shade, a little bit of black will look good. Like it will give that contrast. But if you are not into liquid eyeliner or winged eyeliner, you can totally skip it, or you can do smudged eyeliner, a little bit of brown eyeliner as well. I think makeup is so personal, you can always customize it according to your own preference. Now I'm just tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eye Pencil, and now I'm smudging out my entire lower lash line using the darker pink shade that I applied on my outer V area, and for that I'm using an angled brush from Pune store. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. And I'm elongating the inner corners of my eyes so that my eyes look wider and bigger. And now I'm curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my L'Oreal mascara. I think this is the Superstar mascara. I applied a pair of falsies off camera. These are my kiss lashes in the style Gala, and here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. I really love how that look turned out. It is soft, it is wearable, and you can basically wear this look with any of your outfits. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.